In today's video, I'm going to share a super easy PowerPoint animation trick. Master it, and you'll be able to create this effect effortlessly. So without further ado, let's jump right in. In this first example, I started by generating a maze image using AI. I want to animate it to show this path. First, resize the image to fill the entire slide. Then click the Draw button in the menu bar. You'll see various drawing tools here, such as pen, highlighter, brush pen, and pencil. We'll select the first option, pen, then click the lower right corner. In the menu that pops up, use the plus button to set the thickness to maximum and change the pen color to black. Now here's the key step. Use the pen to draw along the maze path. You only need to sketch it roughly, and to keep the effect clean, try not to touch the two sides of the path. Once you finish drawing, select this ink stroke. Right-click it, and use the eyedropper tool to match the color to the white background of the maze. This way, the line blends into the background. Then go to the Animation tab and apply the Rewind animation. This is an ink-exclusive animation that plays the drawing process in reverse. There you go, you made it. Now let's move on to the second example. First, type in the text you want. Select the text box, go to Shape Format, set the text fill to No Fill, and change the text outline to white. Now only the outline of the letters remains. I bet you already know what comes next. Again, select the pen from the Draw tab and trace along the edges of the letters. If the lines are too thick, you can adjust the thickness in the settings. We'll draw along the letter outlines. You might not get it perfect at first, but it gets easier with a little practice. Repeat this for all the letters. When you're done, it should look like this. Next, select all the ink strokes. Change their color to match the background color, so the letter outlines are hidden under the ink. Then go to Animations and apply the rewind effect to these strokes. And just like that, you have a professional-looking animation. Of course, the only limit is your imagination. You can add more animations to create even more polished effects. And now, let's hand it over to Dream for the closing.
Thanks, Mark. All right, that's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more fun PowerPoint tips and tricks.